Okay, this video today is about how to install Peer Guardian on Debian 9 slash Ubuntu 18.04 and the Red distribution. Before we could install Peer Guardian following this tutorial here on SourceForge. We could on Debian just have to use the information here. On Ubuntu Debian. So this is how you could make it work. But what happened is they removed the GK SU package from Ubuntu 18.04. So when you try to install, I'm going to try to install so you can see what happened here. What happened. So I'm going to follow the instruction here. I'm using Linux Mint, but Linux Mint 19.01. If I follow the instruction here, you say here, this PPA does not support Bionic. So what you have to do here, you have to first install gparted. I want to use not gparted, gedit. We'll install gedit. So I'm going to start gedit, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use I'm going to have the how-to on the YouTube video description. What you should do before you do to follow this guide here, you should use time shift and make a backup with your system before you follow this tutorial. So after you make a backup, then you follow this tutorial. So I have to know sudo then paste. So here we're going to copy this here and I'm going to add it here. Close. Now you add the key here. I have already have it here to make it easier. So so you add the key ring here. Paste. I'm going to update the system. Paste. It's going to be, tutorial is going to be on my Okay, what happened here is unable to locate package. Since that they changed, I was able to install earlier. So I want to see if I can install here. They removed the I was able to install earlier. They removed the I think I forgot to run this command here. Okay, I made a mistake there. So I had to use sudo apt-get update. I forgot to do that. So I'll be using the tutorial on the web page here, but I put everything together on this. I put everything together here. So you temporarily have to add. After you install, I'm going to show what's going to happen. You click enter. After you install, it's going to say that the GKSU you have to install it, but when you try to install it, it gives you error that is not available. So you have to add the active repository to be able to install GKSU here. So I'm going to show that. Okay, so now when I try to open, if you go here, internet, when you open, you got this arrow here, which GKSU here, none. So what you do here, you close this here, you close the Peer Guardian, and what you're going to do here, you're going to add the artful repository to the system. Then you update the then you're going to install the GKSU. Now we're going to install what was missing. You cannot install it. They removed it from 9 and Ubuntu 18.04. Before that guy there on SourceForge used to work fine using the instruction on the Ubuntu and the instruction on Debian, but I have to figure out a way. Now, if you open Peer Guardian, now you can update and if you want to change to block more IPs here, you select the IPs there, and then you go here, click update, and that's it. So it's going to be running here in the background. Now what you're going to have to do here, is to remove artful repository from system for safety. So what you're going to do, you do this here, sudo paste, make a backup of the system before you do that, and then you make the backup, then you follow my tutorial. If anything happens, you can go back there. Now the information that I got here, I got this information to install Peer Guardian here on SourceForge. The link will be in the description, and also on the Ask Ubuntu the person who gave that, some people ask here how to install an application that require GKSU package on Ubuntu 18.04, and the person here, Jeremy Bisha, he wrote this. So, and say how to fix it. It's possible. There it is. Then you use this method here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You follow this. Everything is nice. You can use the terminal to test to see if it's you can test to see if it's installed by running this command here, sudo grab mode enable, or you can use jksu date. This is the date. This is the date there. So you have to say thanks to SourceForge and to Jeremy. He's the one who gave the solution here to this problem. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share, and give a like. On the internet there is no tutorial showing how to install this. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.